She spilled baking soda on the bed, and after 30 minutes everyone was speechless. When you see why, you will do the same. Mattresses are the perfect surrounding for dirt and bacteria. You should learn how to get rid of such dirt and bacteria easily and effectively. We will show you how. Changing the linens is not sufficient. As we sweat, there are body fluids, dirt, and dust which pass through the sheets and enter the mattress. You will have to vacuum it and then sprinkle some baking soda on it. You will disinfect the mattress this way. Not sure how to use baking soda on mattresses to get rid of stains and odors? Follow this guide on how to clean a mattress with baking soda and vinegar. Despite the fact we spend a lot of our time there, few of us clean our mattress on a regular basis, probably because it seems like such a mammoth task. But it doesn't have to be that way. Learning to clean your mattress is actually pretty simple. Just follow these tips to learn how to clean your mattress with baking soda and vinegar. Clean your bedding regularly and use a protective mattress cover to keep your bed fresh at all times. Clean your mattress with baking soda and vinegar a couple of times a year to preserve its life. Why use baking soda on mattresses? Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that makes it perfect for cleaning a mattress. It's also relatively mild, which means you can use it on fabrics safely without fear of damage. Combining baking soda with vinegar is a well-known cleaning tip for shifting difficult stains. That's why learning how to clean a mattress with baking soda and vinegar can save you lots of time. How to clean a mattress with baking soda. Ingredients. Before you begin cleaning a mattress with baking soda, make sure you have all the right equipment. 1. Spray bottle. 2. Thick bristle brush. 3. White vinegar 2 cups. 4. Baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda, a few tablespoons. 5. Essential oils, a few drops. How to clean a mattress with baking soda and vinegar. Method. Once you have everything you need, simply follow these tips to using vinegar and baking soda on beds to clean your mattress thoroughly. 1. Put the vinegar in a spray bottle and spray the surface of the mattress. 2. With a thick bristle brush, scrub the mattress to remove any dirt. 3. Vacuum the mattress and wait for it to dry. 4. Sprinkle baking soda on the mattress, covering the whole surface. 5. Let it stand for half an hour. This will help to remove stubborn odors. 6. Vacuum the mattress until it is clean. 7. Perfume your mattress with a few drops of essential oil of your choice. 8. Let it air dry for a few hours before replacing your bedding. Now that you know the trick to use baking soda on beds and mattresses to keep them clean, you can enjoy a relaxing night's sleep.